If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new video updates. Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel Lifestyle with Saira. And how are you all? I hope you all are fine. And today's video is about the very famous brand Sephora. You know that nowadays, because of Ramadan and Eid, everywhere there are sales and there are so many good offers going on. So in Sephora also there are so many good offers going on. So I bought one of the kit from Sephora, which is the limited kit only in Ramadan, and I'll show you the kit. This is the Sephora Favorites Prep Set and Go kit. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so as you can see, this is a 6 items kit total, and its name is Sephora Favorite Prep Set and Go kit. It is a limited edition only in Ramadan, and it will only be available in Sephora till Ramadan only. Okay, so I bought this kit because it has so many famous brands in it. They are not the full size, they are the travel size. Only these 2 items are full size. Okay, so then I'll show you. This is a very cute little box, you can see, and I'm playing this. Okay, so the first thing we are having is Sephora Pearl Face Mask. This is a sheet mask. I really love sheet masks. I also have used Sephora many sheet masks, and the Korean sheet masks also are very nice and they are in reasonable prices. And you can also find Sephora Pearl face mask in any outlet of Sephora, and they are reasonable. And it says enriched with pearl extract of natural origin. This mask refines skin texture and minimizes irregular aspects, instantly increases its natural glow for skin that is more even and luminous. Okay, for actually this is a prep set and go kit. So what you have to do is, first you have to, it says that first you have to apply this pearl face mask on your face and get ready and prep up your face. And then we have another products, that is you can see this is Hourglass mineral primer, and this is a very good primer. It gives you a soft silky smooth effect. I have a same primer like this, but that is the company of NYX. I think you have seen that NYX primer, that is also like a velvety primer, and it also gives me the same effect like that. And it's a travel size, but it will last me long for like around 2-3 months at least if I don't use it every day. Okay, so the next thing after this, what you have to apply in this prep set go kit is Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is also a travel size, and this will also last me long. And I must say that Laura Mercier is very famous for their translucent powders, and the effect of this powder is very nice. I have also used the full size of this one, so I'm really happy in the travel size also, because I can easily carry this anywhere. Okay, so you can then set with this beauty blender. This is from the Beauty Blender brand, and you know that Beauty Blender brand sponges are really soft and nice to your skin, soft to your skin. And you can blend this primer and this powder with the Beauty Blender also. Then after that, what you can do is you can apply this mini size Cover FX enhanced drop. That is a illuminator drop, you can say that. It gives you a shine and a glow on your face at last. If you need a natural glow on your face, just take a little drop and spread this. See what a nice glow, what a natural nice glow you're having on your, I'm having on my hand, and you will have on your face when you will apply this on your face. Okay, then after that we have this Urban Decay On Lighter makeup setting spray. This makeup setting spray is my favorite spray because it lasts for around 24 hours, and in any temperature, believe me, in any temperature it will last long. And if anybody is looking for a good makeup setting spray, then go for this one. This is also a travel size, but this will also last me long. So I was very excited for this kit because it has all brands in a travel size, but they will last me long. So I'm really happy with this kit because it was in a reasonable price, and they are all big brands, and I got this from Sephora. So this is a limited edition. If anybody wants to try any of these items, if they have not tried, then go for this box. So they are in a travel size, so you can easily try these items, and if you like them, then you can buy them in a large size also. Okay, so if you like my video, then please give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I'll be back soon, inshallah, with more exciting videos. More videos are coming with the excitement products. So inshallah, I'll be back, and we'll meet you soon. Take care. Bye bye.